Stacked charts are probably the most commonly used chart type of all. To insert one into your presentation, go to the think-cell tab in the PowerPoint ribbon, open the Elements menu, and look for the Stacked icon. Move your mouse over the 4 little arrows around the icon. The arrow pointing up is for inserting a vertical column chart. The arrow pointing right for inserting a horizontal bar chart. The arrows pointing down and left will insert flipped versions of the two. Let's say you want to create a stacked bar chart. Click on the arrow to the right of the stacked icon. The orange insertion frame appears on the slide. Click once to place your chart on the slide. With think-cell, you can also change the orientation of the stacked chart after insertion. For instance, to turn a bar into a column chart. Just select the chart with your mouse, click on and hold the rotation handle, and drag to the position where the ends of the stacks should point to. Release to set the new orientation of your chart. Open the datasheet by double-clicking on the chart and enter your data. think-cell organizes the stacked segments according to the visual order of the datasheet. The chart is automatically updated while you type in your values and text. Add or remove as many series and categories as you need in the datasheet. The colors of the different series depend on the settings in your slide master. You can, of course, change them manually if needed via the color controls in the floating toolbar. For details on this, please watch our Basic Concepts tutorial. By default, a newly inserted stacked chart comes with category, series, segment, and total labels. If you would like to change which label types are displayed, right-click onto the chart and choose the label options from the context menu. For more details on working with think-cell's text labels, please watch our tutorial video, Text Labels. You may also adjust the width of the columns or bars in your chart. Click on a segment and drag one of the handles that appear. While dragging, a tooltip shows the resulting gap. The gap width is displayed as a percentage of the column width. A value of 50%, for instance, means that each gap is half as wide as a column. Release the mouse button when you are satisfied with the column width. Suppose you have a stacked chart like this, that has a number of small segments in a category. Therefore, you would like to combine them into one segment for Other, to make the chart more accessible at a glance. With think-cell, you can do this in just a few clicks. Just select all segments that you would like to combine in the Other series, for example by shift-clicking on them, then right-click into the selection and choose Move to Other Series from the context menu. The selected segments are combined into one for each category, given a new fill color, and the corresponding series label is changed to Other. Once you have added an Other series, you can also include additional segments in it or exclude segments that should be displayed individually again, by selecting one of the segments from Other and dragging the handle that appears up or down.